Experience the ultimate cinematic adventure from the comfort of your home with the best premium home theater projectors on the market. These cutting-edge devices deliver stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and immersive sound that transform movie nights into unforgettable experiences. In this video, we'll explore the best premium home theater projector models, their standout features, and what to consider when choosing the perfect projector to elevate your home entertainment setup. Let's dive into the world of high-definition projection and discover your ideal option. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website AllAboutTheBEST.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Let's get started with the list. Number 5. ViewSonic PA503W, our pick for best budget premium home theater projector. The ViewSonic PA503W is an impressive projector that balances performance and value, making it ideal for various settings. Whether you're delivering a presentation or teaching a class, this projector shines with its high lumen output, ensuring your visuals remain vibrant even in bright environments. With a WXGA resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, it provides clearer images and a wider display, perfect for boardrooms and classrooms alike. Gamers will also appreciate its low input lag, making for a responsive gaming experience that many budget models can only dream of achieving. While it does a decent job with movies, it may fall a bit short for those expecting cinema-quality visuals. Just keep that in mind. Weighing in at just 4.9 pounds and measuring 11.6 inches long by 4.3 inches deep by 8.6 inches high, the PA503W is lightweight and compact, making it easy to transport between spaces. While the fan can be a bit noisy during quiet scenes, its bright output is ideal for business use. Overall, if you need a reliable projector for work or education without breaking the bank, the ViewSonic PA503W is a fantastic choice, offering great performance at a remarkable price. Number 4. BenQ X300G, our pick for best premium home theater projector for gaming. Introducing the BenQ X300G, your versatile partner for both gaming and movie nights. While it shines brightly as a gaming projector, it doesn't fall short when it comes to delivering a fantastic film experience. Plus, it's accessible, offering impressive 4K quality without breaking the bank. While the X300G isn't classified as a portable projector, its compact design, taking up less than a cubic foot, allows for easy movement from one room to another, adapting to your lifestyle seamlessly. This DLP projector is powered by an LED light engine with a brightness rating of 2000 lumens, ensuring vibrant visuals in various lighting conditions. Thanks to its Android TV integration, streaming your favorite shows and movies is a breeze with the included dongle. It also features an HDMI 2.0 port with EARC and a rare USB-C port that supports DisplayPort, enhancing your connectivity options. Plus, the built-in 2.1 channel speaker system provides clear, enjoyable sound. What sets the X300G apart is its ability to display stunning 1080p images at a remarkable 240 Hz refresh rate. In our review, we praised its amazing pixel response time, virtually ghost-free, making it a top choice for gamers. Whether you're diving into intense gaming sessions or enjoying cinematic adventures, the BenQ X300G is your adaptable projector solution. Still looking for the perfect premium home theater projector to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Samsung the Premier 9, our pick for best premium home theater projector for sound. Samsung has taken its home entertainment experience to new heights with the introduction of the Premier 9, the next generation of its acclaimed 4K UltraShort throw projector. Previously, its predecessor held the title for the best sound quality in this category, but the Premier 9 surpasses it in several key areas, including brightness, design, and sound. Featuring a state-of-the-art triple laser light engine, the Premier 9 boasts an impressive 3,450 ISO lumens light output. Our testing revealed vibrant, sharp images delivered with excellent accuracy right out of the box. The sound quality is equally remarkable, thanks to Samsung's Object Tracking Sound (OTS) technology, which creates a dynamic audio experience that immerses you in your favorite films and shows. Reviewers noted a spacious soundstage with clear dialogue, a robust bass presence, and effectively rendered audio from above. Beyond its stunning visuals and audio, the Premier 9 is also equipped with Samsung's Tizen smart TV system. This allows seamless access to your favorite streaming apps and supports voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Samsung's Bixby. While it may not be the top choice for hardcore gamers, with a 60 Hz refresh rate and a 53 millisecond input lag, it still offers a solid gaming experience complemented by Samsung's Gaming Hub. Elevate your home theater experience with the Premier 9. Number 2, Hisense L9H TriChroma Laser TV, our pick for best UltraShort throw. Premium Home Theater Projector. At Hisense, we blend innovation and convenience with our UltraShort throw UST projectors, transforming your viewing experience into something extraordinary. Our flagship model, the L9H TriChroma Laser TV, isn't just a projector. It turns your living space into a cinematic masterpiece when paired with a compatible screen. You can choose between a stunning 100-inch or an expansive 120-inch 4K smart TV experience, complete with Dolby Vision. One of the standout features of the L9H is its effortless setup. No need to hunt for the perfect screen or deal with tricky focus adjustments. It comes with a fixed focus tailored for the screen size you select, ensuring a sharp image every time. Our tests reveal that this dynamic duo delivers rich, vibrant colors and impressive contrast, whether you're enjoying bright outdoor scenes or diving into darker narratives. If you're looking for a UST model that thrives in well-lit spaces, the L9H is ideal for family rooms, and it's especially effective if you don't already have an ambient light rejection (ALR) screen. However, if you're sensitive to the occasional rainbow artifact, we recommend checking our return policy before making a purchase. For most viewers, the L9H provides a perfect blend of bundled convenience, exceptional features, and remarkable image quality, making it a fantastic addition to your home entertainment. Embrace the future of viewing with Hisense. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Hisense PX3 Pro TriChroma Laser Cinema, our pick for best premium home theater projector overall. Looking for the perfect projector to elevate your home entertainment experience? Meet the PX3 Pro, a versatile choice that excels in every category, whether you're replacing your TV, enjoying movies, or diving into gaming. For movie enthusiasts, the PX3 Pro delivers exceptional image quality, particularly impressive with HDR content thanks to its support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG HDR. You can immerse yourself in stunning visuals that bring every scene to life, transforming movie night into a cinematic experience. Gamers rejoice. The PX3 Pro is the first ultra-short throw projector to receive the Design for Xbox certification. With gaming-specific features such as a remarkably low input lag and support for 1440p resolution, 2560 by 1440, this projector is tailored for an immersive gaming adventure. But that's not all. The PX3 Pro also comes packed with fantastic additional features. Enjoy Google TV for seamless streaming, a powered focus to ensure sharp images, and a range of customizable settings to tailor your viewing experience. This projector shines whether you're casually watching your favorite shows or hosting a home theater night. While some may notice the occasional rainbow effect associated with DLP projectors, the PX3 Pro remains a top contender for those who prioritize outstanding image quality. It's a prime choice for discerning videophiles and savvy gamers alike, offering both the advantages of ultra-short throw technology and thoughtfully designed gaming capabilities. Embrace the future of entertainment with the PX3 Pro. So that wraps up our list of the best premium home theater projector. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which premium home theater projector you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.